नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण इयत्ता 7वीची रोज ऑनलाईन युनिट टेस्ट विषय गणित स्पष्टीकरणासह सोडवणार आहोत. पहिला प्रश्न आहे, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द सम ऑफ मेजर्स ऑफ अँगल्स इन अ लिनियर पेअर इज डॅश डॅश. ऑप्शन्स आर ऑप्शन ए 180 डिग्री, ऑप्शन बी 0 degree, option C 90 degree, and option D 360 degree. Students, we know that the sum of measures of angles in a linear pair is 180 degree. Therefore, option number A is the correct answer. Question number 2. Identify the even prime number from the following. Their options are 0, 1, 2, 4. Students, always remember 2 is the only even prime number. Question number 3. Add 5 plus -7. In this example, students, we know that 5 is the positive integer and -7 is the negative integer. To add this, first you can ignore the signs. You can subtract 5 from 7. That means 7 minus 5, answer is 2. And give the sign of bigger number. That means 7. Therefore, our answer is option D, -2. Question number 4. The measures of angles are given below. Find the measures of their supplementary angles. First, here the given angles are 70 degree and 160 degree, and its supplementary angles options are given 20 degree, 110 degree, and 70 degree. Students, all of you know that the sum of measures of two supplementary angles is 180 degree. Therefore, the supplementary angle of 70 degree is 110 degree. Therefore, this option is correct. Then second, 160 degree. Therefore, the measure of supplementary angle of 160 degree is 20 degree. Therefore, you click here. Question number 5. Observe the following figure and match the correct pairs. Students, you can see, observe this figure. This is the construction of perpendicular bisector, and here are the questions and here are the options. First is length of PM. This is the length of PM. All of you know that the perpendicular bisector, here the perpendicular bisector is the line CD. It bisects this segment PS into two equal parts. Therefore, we say that segment PM is equal to segment SM. After that, segment PS, the length of segment PS is twice the length of segment SM. Therefore, you can click here. Now, question number 6. Complete the following activity and choose the correct option for the empty boxes. Here the activity is given, and also these are the empty boxes. Find the measure of the complement of an angle of measure 50 degree. Given angle is 50 degree, you can find the complement angle of 50 degree. Therefore, its solution is given. Let the measure of the complementary angle be x degree. Then you can write here 50 plus x is equal to 90 degree. Because we know that the measure of two complementary angles is 90 degree. Then to solve these equations, we write here 50 plus x minus 50 is equal to 90 minus 50. That means we subtract 50 from both sides. Then x is equal to 90 minus 50 is equal to 40 degree. Therefore, we say that the measure of the complement of an angle of measure 50 is 40 degree. Question number 7. Complete the following activity and choose the correct option for the empty boxes. You can choose correct two options. Observe the following figure and fill the blank boxes. Here the number line, and this point shows the different numbers. First question is that segment AP is congruent with segment. Here the options segment AC, segment AB, segment VD, and segment RL. Then you can decide which segment is congruent with segment AP. This is segment AP. Then AC, where it is AC, this one AC. Then AB, this one AB, VD, and RL. After observation, we say that segment AP is congruent with segment AB. This option is correct. Then segment This empty boxes is congruent with segment UR. This segment UR is congruent with AC, AB, VD or RL. You can observe and say that segment VD is congruent with segment UR because you see here the distance between these 2 points and VD here, distance between these 2 points. Question number 8. If in triangle XYZ length XY is equal to 6 centimeter, measure angle X is equal to 30 degree, measure angle Y is equal to 100 degree, then identify correct construction for the given information. Here is the given information to construct triangle XYZ and 4 diagrams are given. First you can see the option number A. In this diagram the length XY is equal to 6 centimeter, but they cannot show the measure of angle, therefore this is not a correct option. Then XY 6 centimeter, but X is equal to 30 degree, here they can draw 100 degree, therefore this is also not the correct option. Now see next, here the base ZY, but in this example they can give the base XY is equal to 6 centimeter. This is also not the correct option, therefore option D is the correct option to construct this triangle XYZ. Why it is XY 6 centimeter, X is equal to 30 degree, measure of angle X is equal to 30 degree, also measure of angle Y is equal to 100 degree, therefore D is the correct option. Question number 9. Complete the following activity and choose the correct option for the empty boxes. Here the example for SCF and LCM. Find SCF and LCM of numbers 15, 25, 35. Their prime factors are given here. 15 is equal to 5 into 3, 25 is equal to 5 into 5, 35 is equal to 7 into 5. Now after observing these prime factors, we say that 5 is the common factor. All of these 3 examples, 5 is the common factor. Therefore, we say that the SCF of 15, 25 and 35 is 5. Then LCM. Then you can write here this 5 common factor here 5. Then this one 3 here. Now next number 5 you can write here 5 and remaining this 7 they can write here. Therefore, you can multiply 5 into 3 into 5 into 7 and the answer is 525. Therefore, the correct option is option number D, that means 5, 5, 25. Here also option number D, 5, 5, 525. Therefore, option D is the correct answer. Next example, that means last one. Complete the following activity and choose the option for the empty boxes. You can solve the following examples. First example, negative in bracket negative 5 minus 7 is equal to empty box. You can solve this example. Here are the options. After solving these examples, we say that negative 2 is the correct answer. Why negative 5? That means 5 minus 7. This is the example 5 minus 7. You subtract 5 from 7, that means 2, but you can give the negative sign because 7 is the bigger number in this case. Then second example, 7 into negative 8. You can multiply both these numbers, one positive integer, another negative integer. 7 8s are 56 and positive negative, the product is always negative, therefore answer is the negative 56. For this option, negative 56 is the correct answer. Then third example is the division of two negative integers. Negative 39 divide negative 13. You can know that 13 3s are 39. Therefore, answer is 3. Both integers are negative. Answer is positive. Therefore, correct answer is 3 is the correct answer. Thank you.